Measuring angles in SOLIDWORKS parts or assemblies is as easy as selecting the two faces or surfaces you wish to evaluate. The status bar in the bottom right of the SOLIDWORKS window allows you to see additional information including lengths and angles. These are determined by the selection in the graphics area. The angle being measured in this example is between the inside face and the top face of the plate. We can also use the Measure tool, which is located on the Evaluate tab. Keeping the selections the same, we can measure the angle between the two faces in a similar way to before. In this example, I have a configuration displaying the assembly in a different position. Using the Measure tool and the same faces for selection, I can measure the new angle. The measurement history lists all of the previous measurements made during the current session of SOLIDWORKS.